Have you ever wondered what would happen if your legal case was handled entirely by artificial intelligence? No attorney, no courtroom strategist, no human judgment, just an AI system making decisions about your rights, your money, and your future. It sounds like science fiction, but as AI becomes more advanced, more people are asking, will AI replace lawyers? The answer may surprise you. AI is changing the legal world. It can review documents, analyze information, and complete tasks faster than ever before. This has fueled conversations about artificial intelligence replacing lawyers and whether human attorneys could eventually become unnecessary. But here's where the story takes an unexpected turn. Imagine you've been injured in an accident and need a personal injury lawyer to protect your rights. Instead, you turn to an AI platform. It quickly generates legal information and drafts arguments. Everything looks fast, simple, and convincing. At first, it feels like the perfect solution. But what if something important is missing? What if a detail is overlooked that later affects your case, your compensation, or your future? That's where the real risk begins. AI is not a lawyer. It has never attended law school, passed a bar exam, sworn an oath, or received training in legal ethics. Most importantly, it has no professional accountability. AI can process huge amounts of information in seconds, but it is not always accurate. Its output must be reviewed and verified by a qualified attorney. Even when AI is used in legal work, attorneys remain responsible for what is filed, argued, or advised. There's another issue many people overlook. When you communicate with an attorney, those conversations are generally protected by attorney-client privilege. Attorneys are required to act with loyalty, competence, and full legal responsibility. AI makes no such commitment. Unlike an attorney, AI does not act in your best interests. It cannot create an attorney-client relationship, provide legal representation, or stand behind its recommendations. It may organize information, but it cannot replace trust, accountability, or legal duty. Think about that. When people talk about artificial intelligence replacing lawyers, they often focus on how quickly AI can process information and deliver results. But who protects your interest when something goes wrong? Who is accountable when mistakes happen? Who owes you a legal duty? The answer is simple: AI doesn't. And then there's a human element. Law is not just information, it is judgment, strategy, persuasion, and understanding people. Human attorneys negotiate settlements, argue before judges, present cases to juries, and respond to real-world pressure in real time. This is why the question, can artificial intelligence replace lawyers, becomes more complex. Can AI read a jury? Can it build trust in negotiation? Can it adapt when a case suddenly changes direction? At least today, the answer is no. The truth is that artificial intelligence replacing lawyers remains more headline than reality. AI can assist, but it cannot replace legal training, ethics, accountability, or lived courtroom experience. And if you're still wondering, can AI replace lawyers? Consider this. Legal outcomes depend on credibility, negotiation, and human judgment, things technology cannot truly replicate. So, the next time someone asks whether artificial intelligence replacing lawyers is inevitable, remember this: AI can support attorneys, but when your rights and future are on the line, human judgment still matters. Technology will evolve, but for now, the attorney sitting across from you is not something AI can replace. Grab your free case review via the link in description or pinned comment, or visit rosenfeldinjurylaw.com.